In the last video, we built a basic Gmail workflow. Now it's time to make it smarter with AI. In this video, we will generate Gmail messages automatically using the AI agent node powered by the Gemini chat model. We will also add a JavaScript node to customize and control the message before it's sent. You will see how AI, logic, and automation work together inside n10. This is a big step toward building intelligent workflows, so let's jump in. Type n10 in the Google search bar and hit enter. Log in to the n10 cloud platform. Click the Create Workflow button in the top right corner. Click on the workflow name and rename it to Daily Motivation. Click Add First Step and search for Schedule Trigger and change its settings, days and hours according to you. Select the Schedule Trigger node. In the Settings panel, set the trigger at hour to 8 am. Click Execute Workflow on the trigger node. Drag from the trigger node plus icon and search for AI agent. Select the AI agent node. After selecting AI agent node, in that particular settings, enter the prompt, generate an early morning motivational quote. Click the chat model and in the connector on the AI agent node and search for Google Gemini. I am repeating again, click the chat model connector on the AI agent node and search for Google Gemini. Open a new tab and go to Google AI Studio or studio.gemini. Click Get API key and then create API key. You must have need API key for AI agent node or Google Gemini. Name the key n10 workflow and copy the generated key. Go back to the n10 and paste the key into the API key field, and after pasting the API key, click Save.
And you can see right here that the data indicates we are on the right track.
Drag from the AI agent node and search for code. After searching for code, select Code in JavaScript. Paste the JavaScript code to parse the AI response into HTML. Click Execute step on the code node. Drag from the node and search for Gmail. Once again, select Send a message. Configure the email set to address and subject. For example, Wake up bro. Change email type to HTML and map the content from the code node. Click Execute tab to send the Gmail or email message. Open Gmail to verify the motivational email was received or not. Or I can say workflow is successfully executed or not. Right click on the canvas to add a sticky note explaining the workflow steps. The tutorial concludes with the final workflow overview. Now you have seen how AI can generate emails inside and 10 using Gemini and JavaScript. This approach saves time and makes your workflows truly intelligent. In the next video, we will take this automation even further with more advanced logic. This is PcomLab. Enjoy and learn and keep pushing tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.